Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the multi-column blog app on Weebly. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to display your blog posts in multiple columns rather than the standard single column layout, making your website look more modern and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see all your sites and options. Look at the left menu and you'll find the website option. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll see Edit Site. Click on that to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the website you want to edit and look at the right side of the screen. You'll see an Edit button there. Click it to open the editor page for your selected website. Now that you're on the editor page, focus on the top menu where you'll find several options. Click on Apps, and this will direct you straight to the App Center. This is where you can browse and add various applications to enhance your Weebly site. In the App Center, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in multi-column blog or simply multi-column. The search results will display the multi-column blog app. Keep in mind that using this app requires a paid subscription, so if you're comfortable with that, let's move forward. Click on the multi-column blog app from the search results. You'll see an Add button. Click it and then click Connect to integrate the app with your Weebly account. This establishes the link between the app and your site. After connecting, go back to the editor page on Weebly. On the top menu, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll actually place elements onto your website. Now focus on the left side menu and scroll down until you find Installed Apps. This section shows all the apps you've added to your Weebly account. You should see the multi-column blog app listed there. Simply click and drag it onto your website where you want your blog posts to appear. Once you've placed the app on your page, click the Element Settings gear icon that appears. This opens up the configuration options where you can customize how your blog looks. You can select 1, 2, or 3 columns depending on your preference. You can also choose a card style for your blog posts, set custom colors to match your site's theme, and adjust the gap spacing between columns for a cleaner layout. And there you have it. You've successfully added and configured the multi-column blog app on your Weebly site, giving your blog a fresh, organized look that's sure to impress your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.